Akala ko 3 teams lang ang maglalabas today ng roster nila. But we still have one more because AP Bren, I think for the last time today, will also be releasing their lineup para sa MPL Philippines Season 18. Now that I'm realizing it, kung susumahin natin itong lineup na to, it's actually so creative. Kasi kung merong roster sa MPL PH Season 18 na punong-puno ng mga player na meron talagang gustong patunayan, ito yun. Parang lahat yata ng mga binash, lahat yata ng mga criniticize, lahat ng mga kinount out sa karir nila nandito. Nagsama-sama for one sole purpose, which is to prove everybody wrong and for the first time in a long time, finally make it to the playoffs. Uunahin ko na siguro si Coach Bitoy. Si Coach Bitoy ay nanggaling sa Minana Evos dati. Alam mo, sobrang trip siya doon. Pag may interview ako sa Minana, siya lagi yung tinutulak papunta sa akin. Siya lagi ang trip, siya lagi ang bunot. Lumipad siya papunta ng Team Singapore na pag-champion niya yung Team Evil doon. He has developed enough respect para dumating dito. And now he's the head coach of this team. Yobabs is also the same guy. Madalas trip to ng mga kakampi niya. Madalas trip to ng mga tao na nasa esports. He used to be part of an MDL roster, pero ngayon, he's gonna be using his brains to be part of the team as the assistant coach. Punta naman tayo sa players. MDL na si Allen. Twisted X Blacklist pa yon when they still had an MDL team in the Philippines. We haven't heard much from this guy. So bakante pa yung canvas. Pwede niya pang lagyan yun ng kung ano man gusto niya. Si Escalera, Season 9 Rookie of the Season. Pagkatapos nun, people were criticizing him. Kasi nung mga panahon na nag-transition siya sa pagiging roamer, ang dami nagsasabi na he's not as precise as he used to be. Si Lancy, ang pinakabunot ng lahat mula nung Season 16. Nagpapa-MMR daw ng Lunox. Butas daw ng TNC. Even Lord JM, people that were saying is the guy that doesn't mix well with his teams from before. Pero bakit siya nandito sa AP Bren ulit? It's because they wanna prove something. Kasama ni James Pax at ni Shizu na natira sa team na to, they wanna showcase that they're not what people think they are. Maybe they were just in the wrong environment. And the funny thing about it is, 3 sa 4 nilang player ay galing sa TNC. Lord JM played there before. Lancy played there last season. Escalera played there in the early portions of his career. May mga nagsasabi dati, parang ang pattern daw, ay kapag umaalis ka ng TNC Pro Team, ay nagkakaroon ka kagad ng championship eventually in your career. Will that happen for this season? Siguro suntok sa buwan. But if they develop enough over the next 3 months, and they envision it the way that they want to, they might stand a chance. And I'm here for it.